Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to delete saved memories in ChatGPT. So to get started, you're going to want to sign into your ChatGPT account, and then we're going to want to open the settings panel. We can access this by clicking on our account icon at the bottom left hand side of our screen, and then clicking on the settings option. So this opens up the settings window, and we're going to want to navigate to the personalization tab. So once you're here, go ahead and scroll down all the way to the bottom, and you should see the section for memory. So you can go ahead and click on manage, and this should bring up all the saved memories from your chats with ChatGPT. So you can mouse over individual memories and then click on the context menu that appears on the right side, and then you should see an option to delete that specific memory. If you'd like, you can also delete everything by clicking on the context menu at the top right of your screen and then clicking on delete all memories. So it's really that quick and that easy. All it takes is a few clicks and some simple menu navigation. You can also turn off the saved memory feature by turning this slider off. So if it's blue, it's on. If it's gray, it's off. If you'd like to turn this feature off, just click on it once and it should turn off, and you should be able to use ChatGPT once again. That's pretty much it for this video though. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.